Hey, installers and surface specialists. Ready to take your craft to the next level? Try Bodaq, high-end interior vinyl film. In this video, we will show how you can learn a new skill in just one day. At Nelco's, we specialize in installing and distributing Bodaq self-adhesive films, versatile, durable solutions that quickly transform surfaces. Get hands-on training right here in Vancouver. Become a Bodaq Pro with our expert trainers, sharing tricks and tips that'll make you a high-demand installer. Our training covers it all: counters, cabinets, walls, furniture, you name it. No boring lectures here. Our trainers are pumped, the vibe is chill, and you will get everything you need. And guess what? The learning doesn't stop. Our video library is your 24/7 guide. Stuck on something? Our support team has your back. But wait, there's more. We're not just a product. We're your partner. Get marketing support that boosts your business, and let's grow together.